Turkey accuses Greece of provoking hostilities by locking up Turkish F-16 fighter jets that were flying escorting USAF B-52 bombers during a NATO mission on August 23. The lock on the Turkish F-16 fighter jet flying at an altitude of 10,000 feet was carried out by Greece using the S-400 air defense system stationed on the island of Crete. Turkey said the move was not in line with the spirit of the alliance. It is not in line with the spirit of the NATO alliance and is tantamount to hostile acts under NATO's rules of engagement, said a Turkish military source who spoke to media. On the accusations from Turkey, the Greek Ministry of Defense is reported to have refuted. The Greek S-400 missile system never locked up the Turkish F-16 jets, said the source who spoke to Greek state television, ERT. Turkey has in recent months complained about Greece's provocative actions. Ankara says such a move undermines peace efforts. The two NATO neighbors have long been enemies over maritime and air boundary disputes in the resource-rich Mediterranean region. Turkey says Greece is stationing troops on islands in the Aegean Sea in violation of post-World War I and II peace treaties. Athens is also eyeing U.S. weapons in a bid to bolster its air force amid tensions with Ankara. Last June, Greece officially submitted a proposal for the purchase of F-35 fighter jets to the U.S. While on the other hand, Turkey has been expelled by the U.S. from the F-35 program for buying an air defense system from Russia, the S-400 Triumf.